part of our fiber training. So once you've spliced and everything like that, you want to actually provide the test results. So you just don't want to do a laser test. So this is an affordable solution, $700. So what you initially want to do is you want to go to their website, Jonard, and download the appropriate drivers for there, pick out which one, and then you're going to run this program. And it goes really fast because I've already done it. So there are some basic instructions that comes with it. But it took me about a half an hour to figure it out. Just plug it in when it's powered in. Boom. It's gonna see it. Drop down to the COM. Now that will change from time to time, but it just pick that one up, open COM, connect, then you see it. And now what you do is, just for speed, you're just gonna fill that in. Hey, I like that guy, Paul. But just for speed, you are going to download the data. You're gonna see already it pulled out the test results. And these are not gonna be typical. I'm just doing something, classroom thing. Then you have to save them. And what it does is it pops up in Excel. And what I always suggest is you can see that, and this is the information that you put in there, and then save as a PDF file. And then you submit it to the client. It is so much better than the rookie laser test, a little light test. You actually have proof, and another set of videos will go over that.